Report 3015 health requirements to help determine priority when completing 45-day screenings. Click on the Reports tab, select the health category, click on Report 3015 Health Requirements. Determine the participants you wish to see, place them in order by the number of days remaining, select the event being monitored, select only to see participants that still require screenings, and press Preview. You now have a list of participants in order by the number of days remaining to complete their screenings. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.